I'm back once again with another vid. This is a fresh song for y'all guys. You know, if I'm creating an album, I think I'll do the AI in the front. But if I'm playing a video or a song that I just come up with out of the ordinary, I'll make it to where y'all guys can see it. It's a little bit better for you to, enjoy the video. But yeah, I'm still waiting on my bridge. But man, that guitar looks good. I'm excited for that bridge. Stay tuned till the 7th to see it being installed. So, here we go. I got a preset called Hard Rock Nation The Squeal. So it's designed to squeal real good. I got this guitar in drop C. That's how you know it's in drop C, it's because that song. But anyway, this is one of my songs. Got the guitar wired up perfectly. Here we go. I wonder why, how the birds swell in the night sky. Something in my life has changed. Using the machete to cut my way. Life doesn't seem to remain, and I can't seem to find my way through it all. You can send That was a clean guitar tone test with my new pickup installation.